Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a Monzo credit card as an international student. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Monzo app. As you can see, we're getting this notification. You're likely to be approved for the Monzo Flex credit card. That's perfect. Just go ahead and tap on this red card right here, your account, and then you'll be on this page. I just want you to swipe left on your feed, and as you can see, we have this Flex credit card with Monzo Magic. Just go ahead and scroll down and then click on see if you're eligible. And now we need to confirm our identity. So come here, click on continue, and then we need to answer some questions. So just scroll down, answer all of these questions, and submit your information. Now, what I want you to keep in mind here under residential status, just go ahead and, enter one of your friends or someone you know in the UK, their address, somewhere you can send the debit card to, okay? Or your workplace that you are going to be working at, or your, university, right? Somewhere you can actually pick up that debit card. And once you have somewhere permanent to live, you can just update your address in the app and you should get the card. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix